Hi, this is Training for All. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. If you have done that, please don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to like. Now, today we're going to show you how to make how to change your page into portrait or into landscape. Now, to do that, you need to go to after you open your document, you can go to File and then go to Page Setup, and you can change, that's the portrait, that's the landscape. So I change mine to landscape. See, now if I want to change it to portrait, it's the same thing. Go to File, Page Setup, go back to portrait, click on OK. Now there's a different way to do this. You can go to Layout, and then you can come here to Orientation, click the arrow at the right, and then change to Landscape, or go to Portrait. That's how it's done. So if you have anything you want to learn about Microsoft Word, just put in the comment below and we'll do a special video for you. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe because we do post videos every single day about Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Access, also WordPress and Magento. Thank you for watching these videos and see you next time. Bye bye.